I didn't set you up with the DJI Mic 2. I was using the Osmo Action 4 with the DJI Mic 2. How'd you turn on? I don't get it. Now I tucked you away so you could be behind the shirt on my lanyard strap, not the magnet. I don't love using the magnet, but I keep it on there. I should take the magnet off to make it a lighter transmitter. Now, the Action 4, the EV value is lower. And the Pocket 3, it's like lighter. Nothing I could do to get them both correct. And they're both on negative 0.7. The screen's a little dull, but when I go home and I look at it, it just doesn't seem right. And yeah, my GoPro, man, their color profile changed like a number of times, but they only got, you got it, one model, the black. I'm not talking about the silver or the white, but the one model, the black. They're all consistent. But here, DJI's got different models. The Pocket 3 is a different camera. The Action 4 is a different camera. What else can I say? Ish. They're supposed to be using Action 4 on the bicycle, not the Pocket 3. I know. I went back to the Pocket 3 today. I grabbed it. I put the mic down. I looked at it yesterday and I grabbed the Pocket 3. It's meant to be because the mic went on. And the Pocket 3 is working beautifully on this nice overcast day. I'm getting down towards the end. All right. Not that much further to go. What is that? 820 feet? I could put the Rode Wireless Pro on and get a nice line of sight and audio? Sure. I find the DJI Mic 2 and the Pocket 3 go hand in hand over the Rode Wireless Go for a number of reasons. The Rode's not Bluetooth ready yet. Maybe down the road they're going to make it Bluetooth ready. Well, I gotta get you away. The raindrops are hitting. They're falling down from the sky. Yep. Got a boat going out. Here they go. Yeah, you can see the water. See the rain hitting the water? The Pocket 3 is gonna get wet. The Pocket 3 is gonna get wet. Yeah, I got caught in the rainstorm. And I'm still in the rain. You can see the water dripping off of me. How 4K crystal clear is that? I gotta hang out over here. I gotta wait for the rain to stop. I'm afraid about a drop falling from the sky, hits the camera, and ruins it. Nah, I'm getting on out of here. Rain or not, man. I'm going just like that. Let's get on out of here. So yeah, I watched a gas crew. They're back again. And feel sorry for the guy doing his work. Dig up that sidewalk all over again that the guy just did. Man, not fun. Well, the storm is getting this way now. It's time for the fish to say, thank you for stopping by. I said some, did some, share some, showed some. Have a great day with Joe. I will.